guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing my top 5 favorite mascaras of all time. So this is a continuation of my series where I've been going through each and every one of my collections, my categories in my makeup collection, and I've been sharing with you my top favorites, whether it's my top 5, my top 10, you know, depending on the category. And I have been sharing with you my holy grails, the best of the best, the products that can't be beat, and the ones that I really think that you guys would love and I recommend to you guys. So today we're going to be talking about my top 5 favorite mascaras. So we have length, we have volume, we have drugstore, we have high end, we have it all. So if you want to see my favorites, then keep on watching. So as I said, we have some drugstore. So let's start on the more affordable end. And I seriously think this is my favorite one of my favorite mascaras of all time. I don't see myself ever loving one more than this. I don't know. It's really probably my favorite. And that is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. This is the viral mascara that was all over TikTok and all over social media, and it really is worth the hype. It's extremely lengthening and it gives you really, like, sky high is the best name for it. It lengthens the lashes really beautifully, yet still gives you decent volume. So you're getting kind of a bit of both, but I really love this one specifically for the length. It really makes my eyes pop. It really makes my lashes noticeable, and it holds a curl pretty good as well. So I definitely love this one. I personally look for length more than anything, and so that's why I think I love this one. I don't know. I wouldn't say I love this one the best because I really love all of these very equally, but this is so good, especially for the price. Now, if you're looking for cheap, then you will love the Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara by Essence. This is like $4 or $5, and I'm telling you, it is one of the best mascaras I've ever tried as well. So this also is going to give you beautiful length, but it also is a little bit more voluminous. Maybe not quite as good length as this one. And this one is like no clumps ever. I don't even think you could make this mascara clumpy. This one doesn't get clumpy either, but it's a little bit of a thicker formula. And I think that's why it gives a little bit more volume. It's so cheap. It's so good. And I've never had any of these that I'm sharing with you today flake on me or transfer. They're super long wearing and they hold a curl. The next one is also another like viral mascara. This is one that I think everybody has been loving as of recently and as of the last like year. And that is the Rare Beauty mascara. So this one I actually didn't fall in love with when I tested, but as I've continued to use it, it's one of those products that you kind of fall in love with the more you use it. So this one provides length, this one provides volume, it provides curl. Again, really, really beautiful formula. It's not clumpy, and it really makes your lashes pop. Again, I feel like all of these are gonna have similar qualities, but yeah, Rare Beauty is another one that totally is stunning on the lashes, and it really, really is worth all the hype it gets. Another one I really love is the Bite Beauty Upswing Full Volume Mascara. So this is the one that I think is probably my most volumizing that I'm sharing today. So if you're looking for super voluminous lashes, this is the one to go with. It's not only voluminous, it like makes your lashes look so like black and thick without being clumpy, but it also gives them really good length, and it's a clean formula. So if you're looking for something a little bit, you know, if you're more conscious of ingredients you're putting on your face or near your eyes and you like more clean makeup, then this is also the one to go with. And the last one from today is the one I'm wearing today, and it is the Pat McGrath Labs Fetish Eyes Mascara. This is, I haven't tried their newer one. This one I really, really love because it lengthens the lashes. It doesn't get clumpy. This one's just super lengthening. It fans the lashes out nice without getting, you know, they don't get clumpy. Makes your eyes pop. So I definitely recommend this one as well. So that is my top 5 favorite mascaras. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this helpful. Got some product recommendations. If you did enjoy, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.